Okay, this is a Zippo hand warmer inside a very large plastic bag, probably a 2-gallon bag. And inside there is a first alert carbon monoxide detector. So what I'm doing is I'm going to run the hand warmer in an environment where the oxygen depletes and see how long it takes before it makes enough carbon monoxide to trip the detector. Okay, it took 13 minutes, a little over 13 minutes before the first alert detector went off. So what that means is that the Zippo does generate carbon monoxide when it's choked off and doesn't have an air supply, which is to be expected. When you feel the inside of this bag where it was sealed, you have water vapor. That also is to be expected as part of the catalytic conversion process. So I can't really test whether or not its normal running produces enough carbon monoxide to set off the detector. The only way I could do it was to seal everything up inside of this 2-gallon Ziploc bag, and that's kind of a strange test. So you can take it for what it's worth. I personally think that the Zippo is safe enough. I wouldn't worry about having it inside my sleeping bag where it's going to have, probably a pretty good air supply. And I suspect that even if it was producing CO, that the volume, the kind of concentration it could produce would be really low compared to what it can do eventually if it's sitting here sealed up in a bag. There you go. Bye.